Good morning. Today I bring you greetings from AARP headquarters in Washington, D.C., where we have more than 38 million members nationwide, and from Kentucky AARP, where we're nearly 400,000 members plus. I'm very proud to be the liaison for KRTA and AARP of Kentucky. KRTA and AARP community service projects, as you know, the Grandparent Essay Contest, School Supply Drive, where we've had over 2,300 bags of supplies collected this past year, and yes, we can feed Kentucky nearly 29,000 food items collected. And please include AARP and mention them in your publications and KRTA and your locals and your local articles when you do these things, so that we can pass it on up the line to our headquarters. AARP's story began with our founder, Dr. Ethel Paris Andrus, launched the National Retired Teachers Association in 1947. And then 10 years later, she started AARP for all Americans over 50 years old, because she saw the need for organization and security for our seniors. The Grandparent Essay this year may be put on hold for 2021 with limitations and various plans for 2021 school year, and bigger concerns top the minds of our families with this virus that's going on. It does not seem likely that we will run the contest this year, but thank you for your understanding that we are considering other ideas and plans back for the 2021-22 school year. Our 2019-20 state winner, Avis Farham from the Big Sandy District, will be with us at the 2021 KRTA convention, so plan to attend. Our congratulations goes out to her grandma, Charlene Blackburn, the AARP Grandparent of the Year. Avis's essay will bring you to tears, so don't miss that at our convention. One of the topics that AARP covers every year is caregiving, and AARP is fighting to help seniors live independently, and for the family caregivers who make it possible for them to stay in their own homes. Supporting COVID-19 healthy at home legislation like telehealth and no excuse absentee voting. Kentucky Family Caregiving Act, Prepare to Care presentations, and iHeartCaregiving.org share your story on that. AARP will fight for legislation that protects and improves the Medicare benefits and financing for our seniors, provide access to affordable quality coverage, prevent insurance from engaging in discriminatory practices and lowering prescription drug costs, provide a new incentive to expand home and community-based services and support our family caregivers, and strengthen efforts to fight fraud and waste and abuse for our seniors. If you do take care of loved ones at home, share your story with us at iHeartCaregivers.org. That's iHeartCaregivers.org. Another topic that we cover every year is Fraud Watch. With our large organization that we have, we work with national organizations, Homeland Security, the FBI, state police, and local police officers, and we launch a national campaign to fight fraud and ID theft and give you access to information about how to protect yourself and your family. Visit aarp.org/Fraud Watch Network. And you can sign up to receive bi-weekly alerts from AARP Fraud Watch Network by texting FWN 50757. Message and data rates may apply for that, but please do so. If you or someone that you know are victims of fraud, contact us at 877-908-3360. That is 877-908-3360. Another topic that we look at is veterans and military families. We're very proud to say that over 4 million members of our association are veterans, and we're very proud of that, and we have a lot of resources for veterans and military families. AARP is making its free resources quick and easy to access at aarp.org/veterans. Please take note from this slide that report frauds are calling 877-908-3360. Make sure you do that when you or someone you know has been has attempted fraud upon them. Honor our veterans by getting free resources from aarp.org/veterans. Do that for yourself or for your friends and family or veterans and get information for them. AARP has 36 years a history of nonpartisan voter education. AARP does not endorse candidates or contribute to political action committees, just as KRTA does. We do not do that. We're nonpartisan, but we realize that the government is broken. Politicians don't seek common grounds. They cast insults instead of creating results. It's time for politicians to put voters first and get to work. Issues matter. Critical issues like prescription drug prices, Medicare, Social Security, COVID-19 relief, the nursing home safety, caregiving, and our financial security are all on the line. Just go have your say. Every vote counts, including yours. Please take time to vote in person or by mail. By voting, your retirement depends upon it. We all must vote as one to protect and to preserve our retirement, not only for us, but for our children and our grandchildren who want to become professional educators. United, we win. Make sure you go and vote on Election Day and every election day. We have a grassroots advocacy also in Frankfort, Kentucky, a 2021 legislative session coming up. Our number one priority is supporting the Kentucky teachers' retirement system to make it solvent. We want the state legislatures to fully fund our retirement system. We also ask for support legislation responding to the COVID-19 pandemic to keep people healthy at home, and help lower prescription drug prices through transparency and capping the cost of high-priced drugs. Yes, reversing the 2018 Kentucky tax code. We're asking to reverse that, exemptions of $41,110 like it once was. And help make the lives of family caregivers a little bit easier through tax cuts and improved access to telehealth. We ask you for your support for AARP grassroots advocacy issues. On the next slide, you see our governor, Andy Beshear, and I see that every time that he's a young man. It reminds me of the story of one of the jokes I always told at our workshops, that Dr. Wagner he enjoyed this joke better than any other. And one time a young fellow went to his doctor and asked the doctor, so he's having trouble with his home life. And the doctor told him, said, well, the thing to take care of that is run 10 miles a day and get back with me in a couple of weeks. Well, the man did that, and the doctor hadn't heard, so the doctor gave him a call. And when he gave him a call, he said, how's your home life? The man said, I don't know. I'm 140 miles from home. So yes, you see Andy Beshear's picture up here. He probably could run that far, but most of us retired teachers can't do that. But stay connected. Stay connected with the governor. As you see on the screen, his number is 1-502-564-2611. It's facebook.com/Governor Andy Beshear, and Twitter at Governor Andy Beshear in semicolon, or in parentheses, at Governor Andy Beshear. Toll-free legislative message line is 1-800-372-7181. You'll see that on the screen. And find your representative online at www.lrc.kentucky.gov. Stay connected. Thank your governor and legislators when you speak with them, and always be professional and nice when you do it. At this slide, we show you all the ways that you connect to AARP through our Facebook, through our webpage, Twitter, toll-free numbers, and our email you can see on the screen. And if you're a member of AARP, look on the back of your card and call that number and tell them that you're an educator, and you'll become a member of NRTA, and you'll get that information too from the National Retired Teachers Association. As you look at this slide, note on how to stay connected to AARP. AARP is a large organization that can help you in many ways, like insurances, advice on many topics like travel, and yes, many, many discounts and purchases, etc. So stay connected. And on our last slide, but not least, I want to thank all the retired teachers, presidents that are watching today, and all the retired teachers who are taking time to participate in this workshop. Your continued support for AARP of Kentucky makes our shared mission and community services possible. As professional retired teachers, we must all stand up, speak up, and speak out for a better state and country for our children, our grandchildren, and neighbors, friends, and loved ones. In honor of the late Representative John Lewis, let us stand up and make some good trouble. So if you're at home today standing up, let's put our hands together and applaud. Applaud America and be proud of it. Be proud of our Retired Teachers Association and AARP. Thank you for your standing ovation across Kentucky. God bless you and God bless America. Thank you.